Today we'll be working on releasing tensions in the chest to allow the breath to be deeper and calmer. We also want to calm the nervous system. So we'll be concentrating on opening, and the breath has to be very long and very deep. Grab the energy from the earth. Bring it up to the chest and open the palms up. Fill up the chest, fill up the heart, feel extension in the chest. Palm down to breathe out. You're going to do this at your own rhythm for a few times. Breathe fully and breathe out. Palms up, open the chest, open the heart. From here, push down, open the arms to the sky, to the universe, and bring it down. Open the arms. Invite the calm in your body. Grab the energy from the earth. Palm in front of the chest, not touching. Touching the shoulders and smooth the arms. From here, wrist to wrist, open the chest, visualize this beautiful lotus flower opening and sweep out. Grab the energy from the earth, bring it to the chest, relax. Hug yourself. Feel the tension releasing. Visualize the chest and the heart opening. Palms touching to sweep out. Breathe deeply. Your hands are healing your body. Make sure your movement of opening the chest are deep. Connection with the earth underneath your feet. And release that energy. Now open the arms. Connect your palms to the sky, to the universe, feeling this energy to come down your body and to soothe all the way down to your feet, releasing it to the earth. Open the arms, open the chest, open the heart. The palms are connecting from the energy, the chi of the sun, the sky, and releasing your body bit by bit as the hands coming down. Now we're going to do a bit of pressure points. Come up, follow the bladder meridian all the way down to the back of the head, coming to the shoulder, and sweep it. Sweep the back of the legs. Release it to the earth. Come back to the front. Feel the chest. And again, soothe the arms. Visualize the chest opening and release. Bring the energy from the earth to your palm. Bring it to the corner of the eyes. Visualize sweeping energy off your body to release it to the earth and bring back the energy from the earth. And release. Let's have a few breaths to reset. Palms up. Breathe with your palms. Connection to the earth. I hope you feel calmer. I hope your chest has been opening. And if you'd like to see more videos like this one, make sure you subscribe. Open the chest and release.